Hey, what's going on, guys? So right now I'm in Staples, and I'm getting some materials for my courier, to have with him on his appointments, right? So I'm gonna get him a binder and a divider. Within that binder, we're gonna have, pictures of damaged products, so he understands what damaged products are, and we're gonna have our price sheets in there, so he can go and look at prices if he forgets. And we'll have a mileage log in there to track his mileage. When it comes to the mileage, once he writes that stuff down, after a week or two, we'll send that over to our virtual assistant, and our virtual assistant will, log that into, our back office, and have that, stuff ready for tax season and stuff like that. And I love Staples too, because Staples just has so many things here, that can help you run your business effectively. So yeah, guys, you guys got couriers and doing pickups. You guys want to prepare him as best as possible. I even got him a gas card, using business credit. So under my business name, we got a gas card, so he'll be using that for his pickups and stuff too. So he's not using his own money. And also, we got a company car now too. So, we got a car now, so he uses that car. So, no excuse for pickups, if he's driving far out. Usually when you got a courier, kind of sometimes the issues they're using their own car. So it ends up putting a lot of miles and stuff, a lot of wear and tear in their own car, regardless if you're paying them or not. So, if you want to take it to the next level, I got him a little car. So now he's using that, you know what I mean? So we're all set. Yeah, guys, so I just want to make a quick little video for you guys. All right, like this video, subscribe to the channel, tap in with me. Have a course, Medical Exchange Income Academy. Got a bunch of students doing their thing, making money 24 hours, 48 hours into the course, doing it locally, nationally, and all that. All right, guys, so tap in with me. Links in the bio to book a call with me. All right, peace.